We got this great opportunity to do a 3-day workshop on design thinking at KEIC at Mangalam University. It was an absolutely amazing workshop. Initially, we were a little scared about it because I'm from a non-technical background, and being somebody who has never had an experience into 3D printing or designing an app, I was a little bit skeptical about it. But trust me, it was an amazing experience, learned a lot, very step-by-step guidance, and proud to say that we created an app, a step counter app, but basic one, but we created an app. So that was first thing that we did. We also did a little bit about IoT, tried to understand what it is all about. Our students got exposure, hands-on experience on designing an app, 3D printing, understanding IoT, and being a business student, we understand that it's a very in thing. And our students learned a lot, had an amazing experience, and we actually hope that we are able to do more such collaborations and more such events at KEIC. So thanks a lot for this wonderful opportunity.